sparkling. Nagniningning ang sparkle artist. Kasama niya in full glam sina Asia's multimedia star Alden Richards, Asia's limitless star Julian San Jose,
Alden Richards and Catherine Bernardo, welcome!
Thank you.
Welcome to All Out Sunday.
Welcome.
Thank you. This is my first time.
Yes,
Thank you so much.
And not the last, hopefully.
Of course. Definitely.
Yan, kababalik ko lang din. Parang ako din, welcome nyo. Eh.
Welcome in!
Welcome.
It's good to be back. And of course, thank you AOS for letting us promote our film here, which is Hello Love Again. Maraming salamat po. Yung first kasi, di ba, parang medyo hindi ganun pa kami magkakilala ni Kat talaga during the process of making the film. Pero ngayon, mas nakilala ko siya. I was able to spend time with her when we were in Canada filming, and the relationship and the knowledge of each other deepens talaga.
Oo, mas naging deep.
Mas lumalim.
Mas lumalim.
Ayan.
Tama
Gusto
naman.
natin yan.
Diba nga? Okay.
Ang friendship. Ang friendship,
yes. Ito
Para
na
lang
nga,
klaro.
Alden.
Alden din maalaga sa atin, di ba?
Oo naman, sobra sa atin
ba?
dito.
Maalaga ka din sa
Pero-
lahat. Kikilig ako.
Ako din. Maraming nagtatanong po, ano nangyari? Because of the teaser, because of the trailer that we have shown. So sasagutin po namin yan, 3 days na lang. November 13. 3 days.
Grabe.
Okay, 3 days. Sasagutin.
Oo. Ay, ano
Oy,
sasagutin?
oy.
Yung tanong.
Linawin natin siya. Okay.
Yung tanong. Grabe
And
talaga.
we're all sure na, of course, yung bawat characters niyo talagang nag-grow. And yan ang dapat abangan ng ating mga nanonood at yung mga supporters.
Yes! Oh, wait lang. Meron ata yung bibigay si Alden.
Surprise!
Yes!
Out Sundays! Hello, Love Again!